Hello for all. My name is Gustavo Vargas. I live in the city of Bogota, district capital. I am a student of engineering in the last semester on the open and distance university. Today I going to explain about ways to say weather. First for said rain weather. This will allow use to use it for toilets. Uh, Pipe system can be designed that can feed toilets, watering plants, as well as an artisanal system of freed fall weather that fills tanks with rain weather. Second, for reuse the water from the washing machine. This device heat and dry pipe. This rain can be connected to water tanks, and that water can be used for toilets, watering plants, cleaning the house, among others applications. This way, in the agricultural park, irrigation water can be reused by place under the pots, allocating tend to watering other plants. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Goodbye.